Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the mower safe. Disconnect the spark plug and remove the key so nothing can crank. Once done, raise the deck on level blocks and chock the wheels to stabilize the machine. Make sure to note exactly how the cable routes from the control lever to the transmission, because you will replicate that path. Now loosen any access panels and remove clips securing the cable head. This first access clears the way to detach the old cable without guessing where parts connect. You unhook the cable from the control lever first, using pliers on stubborn clips while supporting the lever so springs don't snap. Then work at the transmission end. Remove retaining nuts, washers, and any springs so you can pull the cable free. Make sure to keep those small parts in order for reassembly. Once free, feed the new cable along the exact same path, guiding it through brackets and anti-chafe loops, because correct routing prevents premature wear and ensures smooth engagement. You reconnect both ends, hand-tightening nuts and then torquing to the mower's spec so nothing works loose. Next, adjust cable free play. Move the control lever and set a small amount of slack so the drive engages without dragging. This prevents gearbox strain. Once adjusted, reattach covers and reconnect the spark plug. With wheels still chocked, run the engine briefly to verify engagement and then perform a low-speed test on grass. If it binds, check routing and adjust slack. Binding means too tight or misrouted cable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.